So in the last video we created the scene. Let's just go to it. See the rendered one. And yeah, we have a rendered scene, probably with a little bit less lightning. Like it was this one. Yeah. So I press use nodes and then it happened. You have the use nodes button out there. If you press it, you can see like it is like this. Now let's just add a proper background to it. Now a 360 background is called an HDR. So for that, what you need to do is, now when you will have this, you need to press use nodes in it. Then you need to go to node editor and press this option and let this remain like this. Press shift plus A, add an environment texture. Press open and take the file in which you have the HDR. So let me see, I saved it somewhere here. Yeah, HDR sky cloud free. You take the JPG image and now you connect it here. Now I don't need to do anything like unwrap, because in the real world you never have unwrap. Now what you need to do is, now you need to increase the intensity of light to like 6 or even less than that. Like 5.2 is perfect. Now you need to get the perfect view to do things. So one thing that I would suggest anybody is that first you go out there and you size the table small on the y-axis. Now take a look from this view, and I feel that this view is perfect to do anything. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be going to solid CTRL alt plus numpad 0 and go out there and find the select the camera first and find the perfect focal length for this. Like, yeah, let's just see anything that displays everything. So I think 25.2 is enough. Yeah, so we're concentrating on it. Let me just do it 24. Yes, so 24 also gives the look of the table as well as the ground. So what you need to do now is that I'll go to solid mode first, or you can see that, yeah, no, our view is the best. Now I need to press the render button. One thing that I forgot to tell you is that if you want, you can do it to GPU compute. It will just increase and do the samples render a little bit, like 150 or above. Now you can press render button to render it. So now when you've done this render, you can show this to your friends. You now can see it's a beautiful realistic render. What you can do is you can now save as image. So just name it like anything. Like I'm going to be naming it cup tutorial and save as image. Now let's just save this file to go out there, press save as, and tutorial complete dot blend. Save as a blend file, and now I press save, and now you can see that it's the rendered view. And now let's just check out for this image in a computer. So when you go out there, so I have it in downloads. So yeah, it's saved. So you can see the cup tutorial image is saved. It's pretty good, photorealistic. So now as you've done it, render it, get back by pressing escape, come out, and now you've done everything in Blender. So you have done the whole tutorial series. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for your support.